Okay, you guys, so excited today. This is my mom, Anna Reynolds.
Hi, everybody.
She's super shy, so I need you guys right now to just really in the comments, just make her feel super welcome, because I'm actually very like surprised that you're doing this with me, Mom. Like this is a moment to remember. So today, you guys, it is gonna be a very interesting video. As you guys all know, I recently was in Thailand for 2 weeks, and I recorded the entire thing, but sadly, I lost all my footage. But today, we're gonna do things a little different. So I have some clips and some cool things of Thailand I wanna share with you guys. But today, I want you to tell them, Mom. I want you to tell what we're doing today, what kind of makeup that we're playing with.
Kimora brought some makeup from Thailand.
Yes! Before we show what makeup we have, I was able to pick up, according to the people of Thailand, MISTINE is the top of the line. So we have to jump in and we have to get this because I want to try it out so bad. We have it here. This is the bag.
Okay.
MISTINE. Can you say MISTINE?
MISTINE.
MISTINE. And today we're gonna change things up a little bit. So Mom, like when was the last time you saw me in makeup? No, when was the first time?
You were performing in
Vegas.
Sacramento.
Oh, really?
No, Vegas.
No,
Vegas. I
Vegas.
visited you in Vegas. Yes.
That was a long time ago. I think I brought you to a show and you were just like, wow.
Oh yeah, I was in a completely different world and
We know.
Just observing, and I actually enjoy, looking at people having a good time. That's what matters most.
Also, you and Dad came to a show of mine in Sacramento with Lauren and her mom.
Yeah.
I'm actually very excited today because I'm going to be your model.
Okay.
And you're going to try Thailand makeup on me.
Okay.
I want you to feel free to go so crazy.
So the first one we have is called Boss Mascara.
Boss Mascara.
And I can see that it is for eyelashes. Nowadays people wear, fake.
So before you guys hear, so on the actual cover, you guys, there is a really pretty girl. She's wearing blush, lipstick, she has mascara, and honestly, I kind of think by me getting this, my lashes will look like this. I kind of hope so. This is actually pretty.
Yeah, I don't know how. I don't know how I can get your eyelashes out.
And I would read the directions, but everything's in Thai. Honestly, this brush, I've seen it before, so hopefully it's gonna do what it's supposed to do.
Oh, and there's an expiration date too, which is, I don't know.
What month is 15? Oh, it's May 15, 2022.
22. Yes.
So
that's like 2 years.
So you guys can have this mascara for 2 years without even using it.
That's right. Long lasting.
Okay, Mom, so go right ahead.
Alright.
I'm excited.
Maybe you look up, yeah. I have done some makeup on Grandma, but I've never done eyelashes, so.
I mean, Grandma used to always wear fake lashes.
Oh, this is, there you go.
I feel some product on there. Wow. I don't see
bad.
anything. Oh, it's actually thickened it up a little bit. Look at this side.
How do you do this? I don't know.
Yes. You can't poke me in the eye, Mom. I've gone through every pain you can think of.
I think that's good.
I actually can tell the difference.
You can tell the difference? It's kind of clumped together a little bit there, but...
I mean, sometimes people like to have chunky lashes. It's like I'm in 7th grade. What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that someone's hair?
No.
Can I see? I'm being serious. OMG. Hold on. Let me just get it to you. Hold on, Mom. I think that's someone's hair or lint. I'm being serious.
No, it's really clean.
No, that's lint, Mom.
That's fine.
Mom, that's someone's hair. What is that?
Not bad.
Yeah, look at the difference.
Yes. Okay.
I like a good mascara with lint on it. Okay. Do I look like this girl? No.
No. Yeah, I don't think you want lashes look like that. Either.
Like this? Why? I think she's so stunning.
You think so?
Mommy, like, this is what I want my lashes to look
my
like.
Gosh.
Can you say Tati lashes?
Tati lashes.
OMG, Mom, you're like Barbie. Oh my god, you should wear Tati lashes. Okay, what else do we have?
This is called MISTINE Fairy Dolly Pretty Face Eyeshadow.
Okay, that's a title. I would buy it because it says pretty face. Because I'm like, you know what, I want a pretty face. I'm a little nervous. All in Thai.
All in Thai.
No expiration date.
No.
Oh, there is. April 7th, 2022. Or July 4th, 2022. What do you think about the colors? They look like Easter egg colors.
I don't know, you know, we have a yellow undertone and this kind of not really helping it, especially the green.
That green's kind of awful. You can say it.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
I think my friends agree.
But we're gonna try.
It looks like really cheap makeup. Like
We'll see. If it's easy to blend, then it is a good product.
I want big eyeshadow.
Big eyeshadow.
Like super drag queen.
I know this one is for picking up the color first. I'm gonna do this white one first.
I don't
see anything there. Nothing come
What
up
pigmentation
there. Oh,
in the world is this?
Look, it's a little,
I want to be pretty.
See that? Look at that. What is that? Look at how messy that is.
It's very messy. Oh.
Oh my god, it's like chalk. It's not staying.
I like. Oh. I think that's good, Mom.
Oh, okay. It's very messy, so I have to clean it. Okay, all right, I try to be professional now. And I know I've been watching you doing it. So let's see, the darker go on the edges. So let's start with this one. There's no name on the shadow, so I'm gonna pick this gold in the middle. I know, it's gonna make him look even more yellow. Right here. It's very chalky. I don't know. I remember years ago I go to Kmart and it's not even this bad. I'm serious. But I'm a bit pickier now, so you know I don't go to Kmart anymore. But
I like the color. It's very light than what it looks like.
I know that dark go on the edges.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I don't know. There is
I feel like we should do something there.
This one, make it a little darker.
Yeah, I like a smoky dark eye. Oh yeah.
I'll just keep adding color on top.
What about
of each
underneath? I like a smoky underneath too.
Underneath, but that makes you like just punch in the eye or something.
That's the look. It's being punched in the eye. Everyone wants to look like that.
Okay. I'll do it. Alright, look up. Well, I'm gonna put this down for now. I'm gonna try something else.
Let's try something else.
This is some kind of foundation, perhaps?
What kind of? So this is Cover All
24
Super
hours.
Power SPF 50 PA
which is very good.
plus.
Protect your skin.
Now, mind you guys, when I was at the MISTINE shop, they only had 3 colors. We have clips here right now. Let me show you guys. Alright, you guys. So we got to this mall called Icon Siam, and I'm so excited because I'm looking for makeup today. But I'm in a NYX store. Y'all know I don't really care for NYX, but I'm gonna look for some great local makeup to hopefully play with. So. I picked the darkest one, which I think they all look the same. So I would like to try that.
You mean this is the darkest one?
Yes.
Oh, seriously?
Uh-huh.
This is like beige.
We asked the lady super nice. We're like, hey, what is the darkest color you have by this? She's like, that was all, and there was only 3.
You can see how light that is.
But I'm down to wear it.
Darkest color.
You know what? I do want to wear it to see what it feels like.
Okay. There's a lot of clump when you're trying to get it. Very chalky. Start right here.
It looks like I just did pancakes downstairs.
Wow, this is the dark color, huh? You can see that it's not for your skin. It's really light.
I would say obvious.
And this is the darkest color they have?
This is the darkest one.
Really?
They only had 3.
I mean, they really embrace light skin.
Can I see if it's your color? I just want to test a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's lighter.
Yeah, it's light.
It's very light.
It's very light.
And this is the darkest color.
That's the darkest color. But I will say the coverage is pretty good.
Yeah. They can see you better from the distance.
I wish they had my own color. I would have liked to see it.
Okay, the next one is the eyeliner.
Ooh. it's in a matte liquid liner, so it's not shiny, which I actually do love. I don't like a shiny liner. The reviews on this liner, they say it is the best. So this is the best of the best. I want a wing liner, Mom. Like just wing, like back here.
Oh no.
I would probably shake it first, just because it was sitting in my luggage.
Alright.
Wow.
Is this for wing? For making wing then? I mean,
Yeah, anything's wing.
there.
That's a good wing. It's more like a line.
Oh. Yeah, it looks like a wing.
Okay, I'm okay with it.
Let me try one more time. Getting worse.
No.
I think that's a good wing.
Okay. I think it's nice. I think it's very wingish.
Okay,
cool. We can move it to the next. They love mascara out there, by the way. All we saw was so much mascara and so much lips.
Very nice.
Actually, I like this packaging more than the other one. Like,
and they
look
have
at the difference.
expiration date too. They all have expiration date, 2 years.
But look at this packaging. Doesn't this look more like luxurious than this? You should buy this and get this for free.
Yeah. Keep it on this side. I don't know.
I don't think it did anything.
Nothing. Yeah, this is anything.
I feel like the cheaper one did more.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, there's nothing. That one's kind of womp womp womp. Next product.
Okay.
Ooh, this. You guys, I was excited about this. This is the 3 Wonder Contour and Highlight Stick. Do you know what to do with this?
A highlight. There's a face showing
and
you
teach
how to teach you how to where you contour it. I think this is a very good idea.
Yeah, but everybody doesn't look like that.
Well, but you get the idea of where to go.
So let's pick the first one. So let's do the dark.
Okay, so the dark is like from here to here to
and
here.
there. Yeah.
Okay.
And you just draw it like a 3.
Draw like a 3. I like that tip from here to here. Let's just go ahead and say
I think so. What do the directions say? I think you just leave it. You know?
That's exactly how they draw. Okay, so we just shade it all then, right?
I think so. These are not really clear directions. I don't think these are good directions.
No. Should I just go ahead and shade it all?
I think so.
Maybe I just blend it out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Let me give it a little more shade.
It actually tickles me.
The light is underneath the eye, like that.
Is that what it says? Oh, that is what it says.
Okay, maybe let me try to blend it out.
Oh, yeah, see? Look at that.
There you go. There.
What about my forehead?
Yeah.
I can kind of see it. Look at it, see?
I don't know. Disappear.
Highlight contour is done.
Highlight contour is done.
What's next?
All-in-one color correcting concealer.
I think we have to put this first. Let's do it on this side. This is the MISTINE Level Up All-in-One Concealer. So this is how you correct. These are colors that I've seen before. This is what goes underneath foundation.
Oh.
I think in this case, let's try it on this side.
It's amazing how they have the name in English, but that is all they have in English.
I just want to feel it. Oh.
Is that too much?
It's a little there.
And then what?
So this is what's gonna cancel out. We picked the green one because that's the one that stood out to us, right? That's kind of like, oh my god, wow. So I'm gonna see my concealer will cover it. Not bad.
Now put some foundation right here to see the difference between.
The point of those concealers is to cancel out color. So I actually don't mind the green. Honestly, it's not big wow to me. We've seen it before, and I actually don't mind this. Like, I actually do love these. I've seen these before in the States.
What is this?
This is so cute, you guys. This is a banana hand cream. So I want to know if it smells like bananas. Can you try it? Let's open it.
It does smell like banana.
Oh, wow.
Very nice. Very fruity.
I thought it was so cute. That's why we got it.
Successful.
Okay, so this is Fashionista makeup set. I don't even know what this is. Oh! It's a mini little travel set. Look how cute it is. Do you want to add more? I like these dark colors.
You like the dark color?
Like we have to, yeah, let's use the brushes it comes with.
I don't know what to do. Okay, I don't know what to do right.
Oh, wow. It looks very like vintage.
I just brush it off?
Yeah, where is it going though?
I don't know. Yeah.
I like that. I think this is so cute. It has like highlight. You want to try the highlight on me, Mom? I'll give you a Jeffree Star brush.
What's the highlight
Highlight,
for?
you highlight right here.
Oh, okay.
Like all that.
That's the highlight?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah, get in there. Is it you? It's like, yeah.
I can't really see it.
What if you do this?
Really?
And then the nose. If you want the color to show you, just put the palette on your face. Yeah, see, look. Wow.
Maybe this brush is too soft.
It's not the brush, Mom. Okay. So this is a MISTINE eye roll-on. I don't know what it's rolling on.
Eye roll-on.
It says, massaging roller helps to decrease puffiness and boost circulation.
Okay, well.
Should I just try it? I don't think anything's happening.
Do you supposed to see the result right away?
I don't know. This is what I'm excited for, you guys.
Oh
I got
my
this
gosh.
all over the billboards. I saw this specific girl, and she had on 4 different lip shades. And I was like, what? She has
my goodness.
4 different lip shades. This is the MISTINE Color Playground, and this lipstick actually has 4 shades in one.
4 shades in one.
Yes, so basically in the back, it delivers all of these colors.
Okay.
So we're gonna just try it.
Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that.
It looks like a Willy Wonka lipstick. How do you do it?
Yeah, I'm trying to see the motion to see
I
how
think we should just wear all of it and be fierce.
Interesting. Is there a way to apply? So I'm gonna do these. That way the darker brown is gonna be on the bottom.
I'm like scared.
There you go. Well, I'm trying to keep it in one place.
What does it look like? It looks like a red. Like when you mush it together, it looks like reddish. How do you get all the colors?
I don't know. I don't know the point of having them differently. Well, I can see it's a little bit darker brown right there. A little lighter brown on the edges. But it's not like anything like, wow.
Is that our new saying? It's not like anything like wow.
It's probably much harder to do.
Oh! This could be used as cheeks. The All for Love Persona Makeup Twist Love. So basically what this product is, you guys, we can do eyes, cheeks, and lips. I saw this, I thought it was so cute. I was like, oh my god, I want like a little heart moment in my purse. So it's like a puzzle.
So what is this for?
Whatever you want it to be.
It's very weird. So it should go here, and then the lighter color should go, right here, right?
Yeah.
Ew. It's getting a little slimy now because whatever.
Okay, well that was kind of stunning. Well, I think that's it. Mom, this is, yeah, I like it.
I'm sorry.
Well, you guys, we did it. Me and my mom. Oh, you guys, she just gave me my first makeover ever. I don't even know how I even got you on my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. I love you so much, Mom. You're like my #1 person in the world. Makeup skills, wow. You know what? Here, she knows where everything goes. My favorite part is the liner. Now, what was your favorite product that you liked?
I mean, if you say this is the correcting concealer, maybe that's very useful. I think the eyeliner, it's very black.
I like this little guy. Just because it's all in one.
This is like a one face.
Yeah, that's one face. You just gotta hope that no one next to you has the same palette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, Mom, for being here. I love you.
Thank you for having me here.
Oh,
You too, baby.
Bangkok was fun. Phuket was fun. And then we went to Singapore, and that was fun as well. And it's such an amazing time. Phuket was probably my favorite city. Time to take this off my face. Hit that subscribe button because I want to see you guys in a few days.